We are in Wetumpka for the October candy crawl. And man, this town is packed. They got several of the streets closed down, the traffic. There are so many people here you wouldn't believe. We're going to take a walk around and see what is going on. Hey, young man, what are you?
I'm a pumpkin.
You're a pumpkin, okay. Out in front of Marcia Weber's art gallery, and then of course the Chamber of Commerce down there. And we're out in front of the Grumpy Dog. The Boy Scouts are handing out something there.
We got an hour and a half.
Company Street is wall to wall. In front of River Perk. I don't have anything to put it in. How are you guys doing?
Doing all right.
They're Johnny Oates. Jamil, how are you doing?
I'm doing all right.
I'm gonna send this to Lauren.
You been doing all right?
Oh yeah, I'm gonna send this to Lauren.
You know where she's at right now.
She's in Arizona, Colorado, somewhere.
They're. Gosh.
We have a princess.
Ooh, yeah. I'm so glad you're videoing all these costumes.
Yeah. We have a princess and a man in a tinfoil hat.
We're Wizard of Oz with a twist.
There you go. Okay.
I'm the tinfoil man.
There you go.
Mario, Luigi.
Oh, okay. Better luck next time.
We got books for the adults, so if y'all feel free to pick up
where's your grown-up?
books for the kids.
Okay.
How are you doing?
I'm doing well. How you doing?
I'm doing great. Doing great.
All right.
Okay.
That's a heck of a book you do. Or if you have other ideas, just like as you go.
You're welcome.
They came prepared. Hey, they're headed to the Candy Crawl in downtown Wetumpka.
Subscribe to his YouTube channel.
There you go. Yeah, like and subscribe.
Yeah.
We are in downtown Wetumpka for the annual Candy Crawl. And it is wall-to-wall people. Such a great event for our little community. There's the big fish house in the background up there, in front of Frio's. Who is this guy? What are you dressed as?
I'm a unicorn.
A unicorn, okay. There you go. Stands to reason.
Yeah. It's not a unicorn daughter.
A unicorn daughter. Are you Mickey Mouse?
Yes, sir. King Mickey.
Hey. Wall-to-wall folks. You'll probably see somebody that you know in the video.
Yes, we do. Next year, that's all we need to do is buy like a ton of
There's King Arthur.
King Arthur at my square table.
This is King Arthur.
Yeah. This is my Mary Maid over here.
There you go. Awesome. Awesome. So, King Arthur and his court.
I'm trying to help the kids eat candy up.
Pardon me?
I said I'm trying to help the kids eat the candy up.
There you go.
We're playing the opposites. She's me and I'm her. How about that?
All kind of people in all kind of costumes,
You want to say your friends?
dressed for the occasion. What a great event for our little community of Wetumpka, Alabama. Our annual Candy Crawl, October 2022. Well, we're in front of the Thane Theater where Provisions is, and they are handing out candy through the ticket booth. Oh wow, look at that. Absolutely, absolutely. Thank you so much.
Happy Halloween. Hi folks. Got chocolates for the adults and kids here. Belgian chocolates. Got dark chocolate orange here and milk chocolate covered there.
Wow, look at you. All right.
There we go. Oh, it's me.
Who is that behind the bar there? They're still coming into town. Riverbank and Trust, folks. That's where. There you go. That's where you put all your trust. It's wall-to-wall folks down here.
Yes. Okay. She wants a skeleton.
I'm telling you, I do use that to sit in like when I can't.
So we're in front of the Kelly. And what do we have here? Who is this?
I'm a character called La Muerta from the Book of Life, which is
Okay.
based off of Cachina from Mexican culture.
There you go. So we have all kinds down here.
And I'm a witch with a veil.
Pretty good looking up the window.
Well, we're down in front of Sawyer's Art Gallery. We're doing a little face painting. And of course, Don has all of his paintings out here as well, showing off his artwork. Well, that's just about going to wind it up for this year's 2022 Candy Crawl in downtown Wetumpka. I think everyone had a great time. Kids got a lot of candy, and everything was great, as you see by the video. Anyway, if you like this video, hit the like button. Also, hit the subscribe button as well. Really helps out the channel. Thank you for watching.
Candy.